Hello everyone. Good morning, good night, good evening all over the world. Today I just woke up because I work nighttime, so my kids are hungry. So I find whatever in my freezer. So I have this chicken strips. This is the easiest for me to make their lunch. They're awake. So I just baked them earlier. Now I have to flip it over. Yeah. And then here on the side is the French fries too. I just baked them, not fry. It's easy and more healthier. And after this, my alarm is yan. After this, I put it back in the oven and I make salad for them because Mama is tamad cooking today, so I just use what is in my freezer. And yeah, they're happy with it. Then I have to flip over my rice. The girls love it. So another like 10-15 minutes in the oven because I did it earlier. So while it's in the oven for the second round, I have to make their salad. You see, baked fries is healthier than frying fries. That's how I make it. But this one is ready made fries. I have it in my freezer. And chicken nuggets too. So yes, I'm going to put it back in my freezer and on my oven, and I make their salad for lunch. Okay guys, oven. Guys, here's my assistant making salad. Washed and drained lettuce. She cut some tomato, and then she cut some horseradish, and she's going to put it in. And our French fries bake, and strips nuggets done. So that's their simple lunch today. And put a tongue on it for your serving spoon. We're out of cucumber, so we don't have cucumber for our salad, but everything should be all right. We are not that picky. We just eat whatever we have. And then there you go, beautiful salad a la Christine. There you go, a salad, chicken strips, and a fries for their lunch today. This is for Christine. The big one is going to get her own. Okay.